Okay, so I've been doing some more uh, mock-ups. What I did was I took some measurements over in this area here, how much that open hole was in the core support in relationship to the radiator, and try to get its relative mounting locations duplicated right here. Okay, so this basically represents the opening in the core support. It's actually a little bit bigger than this, but I want that hole a little tight to help me hold the airflow meter. So we got a little bit of wiggle room there, not much. This is pretty much the only way this will get mounted. This big piece here won't be in the final install. There's no room for all that. It'll just be the raw airflow meter. I might try to figure out some way of attaching it hard to the body. I don't know how that's going to work out. But you can see the problem I have here. Trying to go from here to here in that narrow a spot is going to be, tough. I mean, granted, I won't get the best airflow in the world. I'm not really concerned about that. This comes up maybe like that. I just don't know. This is going to be a tough nut here. I mean, I could probably work something on my own. If I just lost this whole tube here, maybe I can figure out a way to come in just underneath here, okay, run along this top area and then make a gentle bend. I was thinking maybe like a 60-degree here and another 60 to straighten it out. So utilize the space that's up in here. I got a lot of space right in here that's being not used. I've got some hoses here which I could relocate, I'm sure. That might be the only solution. So I may not be able to use this pipe at all just because it's not going to work. I also have to consider that I can't push this any lower. I have to watch out because I have an air compressor down there that I'm clearing. So, I mean, I might just take this hose off and just reevaluate the whole situation as far as how can I make this work, because I'm not really liking what I'm seeing here at all. I just don't see how that's going to work. So, like I said, I might get some couplings. It looks like I need about a 45 there, 45 coming this way, and then maybe a 60 up and 60 back might work. And I'll have to just, this is going to be kind of a tough angle here. I'll be able to just clear this charge pipe, it looks like. Yeah, I just don't see any way of using the factory inlet hose. I just don't see it. I've ordered some stuff on eBay from somebody. It's coming in a few days. Hopefully it might be some kind of solution. It's off an S31, I mean a Z31. It's got some unusual bends to it. Maybe that I might be able to incorporate that into it. I think it takes a hard bend here and down, here, down, and then over. So I'm going to wait till I get that before I make any final decision about what I want to do here. But that's a challenge. Like I said, I'm trying to cover a lot of problems here. I'm trying to keep the AC. I'm trying to keep the airflow meter. I'm trying to use the stock location without making any different changes in the core support. I'm even planning on using the stock air filter, which I'll have to modify because I have to open it up a little bit. Its output I think is smaller than this, and I'll just enlarge that tube that goes into here. So I'll probably buy another air filter housing just to make that happen. But yeah, this is an engineering challenge to make all this work. I think all that modifications I did means I'm not going to be able to put my AFM back in its location very easily. It looks like I've probably messed that ability up over here. I don't remember how it mounts. I think yeah. That whole thing means for now I can't use my my engine run stand. So I guess I'm done testing for a while. Not that I need to. I need to get the charge, not the charge part, but the inlet pipe worked out. But yeah, anyway, there you go. That's going to be tough. And you guys who actually have done this, use this turbo AFM in the original position with the core support and manage to hook it up to the turbo without interrupting your AC connections, because there's hoses down here and lines, and there's a line that goes up just underneath this. If you've done that and you have documentation how you do it, let me know, because this is a toughie. Like I said, I just don't see being able to utilize this pipe any way, shape, or form. It just seems like the more I look at it, the more I'm going to have to do something custom. Like I said, though, I've got something coming on the way that I think Tony D said something about using the S31, so I'm going to give that a try. But I don't remember seeing the actual write-ups or pictures of it, so I don't know how it's all going to work out. Anyway, I'm going to mothball this guy for a little while until I can figure that out. Yeah, hell, if I get a flexible piece of pipe, I could temporarily just go boom, boom, you know, like that, and plug it all back in and make it work. I mean, there is some flexibility here, you can see. I mean, there you go. I mean, that's a pretty custom pipe I'd have to have make that work. To go from there to there in that tight a bend, and with fittings, you know. Damn, I really would like to make that happen. I'd really like to use that original charge pipe, because I'm pretty sure it clears the compressor. That's my main reasoning behind it. I'm concerned about how's it going to fit inside the compressor. How much room do I have this way also? If you look at it from this angle, you know, there's the intake charge pipe, so, you know, it sticks out about 6 inches from the intake. Yeah, see, it's all gonna be a tight fit. I can see that right now. Wow. I mean, that thing almost only has the one bend, but yeah, like I need something like that. It's doom boom like that. Just a tight S, a really tight S is what I need. Maybe I need to go to the yard. Maybe I can get some of those silicone pipes and just get 2 hard 90s, you know, with a short coupling in between. I don't know. Got to think about it a lot. Let's see about that 2 90s. A 90 here, boom. A 90 there, boom. And just a little coupling between the two. Maybe that'd work. That's really close here. I don't know if they make anything like that. And I think it's different. No, I think these are the same size, actually. I think these are both 3-inch. Oh yeah, of course it is. Got plugs into there. Duh. Yeah. So this is 3-inch diameter ID, 3-inch diameter ID here, or 80 millimeters, where I don't know. Like that. Huh. Well, that's all. Just some updates. Like I said, I might need to go take a trip to the junkyard, see what I can find. Talk to you later. Bye.